Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe. So welcome to today's session. We are going to understand some of the basics regarding a very important chapter of your textbook, and that is the quadrilaterals. Okay, let's start. Let's first understand what is the plane surface. Okay, what is the plane surface? Paper is a model for a plane surface. What do you get that? Paper is a model for a plane surface. When we join a number of points without shifting pencil from the paper and without retracing any portion of the drawing other than single points, we get a plane curve. Okay, did you all get that? When we join a number of points without shifting pencil from the paper and without retracing any portion of the drawing other than single points, we may get a plane curve. So paper is basically an example of a model which is a plane surface. Paper is a plane surface having nothing on it. Okay, this is an example of a paper. Okay, now let's see about the what are polygons. Okay, a simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. A very simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. So what are the basic examples of polygon? As we have seen here, what are polygon curves? For example, these two figures are the polygon curves. And why these two figures are not polygon curves? Because here the polygon should does not cross the point. Here this point is common between these two curves, and this point is not closed. As you already see that this figure is not closed, it is open from these two places. So these two curves are not called the polygon curves, and these two places which having these two shapes, these are both closed from all the vertices and form a shape which is joining only a single point is a simple polygon curves. Okay, now let's see the what are the types of polygons. Okay, now let's see what are the types of polygons. The first type of polygon that we are going to discuss is having the number of sides as 3, which you called as triangle. Why it is known as triangle? Because it has 3 number of sides or vertices. 3 number of sides means side 1, side 2 and side 3. 3 number of sides means 3 vertices or 3 points. A closed figure with 3 vertices or 3 points is known as a triangle. Okay. Number of sides having here is 4. So this figure is called as a quadrilateral. Why quadrilateral? Because it has 4 number of sides. So side 1, side 2, side 3 and side 4. A quadrilateral is a surface or a shape which is having 4 points constructing and is formed by 4 number of points. A shape formed by 4 number of points is known as quadrilateral. So now let's see what is pentagon. Pentagon means a polygon made up of 5 number of sides or 5 number of points, or the shape having 5 number of vertices is known as a pentagon. For example, shape point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4 and point 5 having 5 points or 5 sides becomes a polygon. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4 and side 5. It is becomes a pentagon. Okay, you all get that? Now let's see. What is an hexagon? What is hexagon? Hexagon, hex means 6 here. Hex means 6 and agon means the polygon. Means a shape made up of 6 number of sides or vertices comprising 6 points is a figure of hexagon. So let's see this example as a hexagon. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5 and point 6. Okay, it has 4 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hexagon. Okay. Now let's see what is heptagon. Heptagons, hept means 7 number of points forming a shape having 7 sides or 7 segments. Having heptagon is point having, let's see, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6 and point 7 is an heptagon having 7 number of sides or vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Heptagon. Now let's see what is an octagon. Octagons means 8. Oct means 8. So octagon is a shape having 8 number of sides. So side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Having 8 number of vertices. The shape having 8 number of vertices is known as octagon. Okay. Now let's see what is non-gun. Non-gun means a shape having 9 number of sides and having 9 number of points is a figure or a shape comprising these points is a non-gun. So shape 1 or point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Having 9 number of sides like point 1 or side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes. Now let's see what is decagon. Dec means 10 here students. 10. 10 means dec here. We are using 10 as a dec in mathematics or anywhere when you use a number 10 you will write it as dec. Decagon. Decagon means a polygon made up of 10 number of sides. Having 10 number of sides of 10 points is a decagon. So point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Having 10 number of sides, 10 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, this is known as a decagon. Okay, after that students, n means the number of you attached to it. So n gun means the shape containing n number of sides and that shape is known as n gun. Having number of sides you can say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Having n number of sides becomes n gun. So it is known as n gun. Okay students. So these are going to we have understand this now. And let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.